Welcome to Nework. In this video, we'll introduce the NewBoard E Series Smartboard and how it boosts efficiency in business and education. NewBoard E is Google EDLA-certified, giving you seamless access to Google Play and pre-installed Google apps. Simply swipe up to view all applications. You can also download third-party apps like educational tools, office suites, and conferencing applications. Just remember to log in to your Google account first. To enhance your workflow, customizable shortcut bars on both screen edges allow quick access to apps and tools. Plus, the floating toolbar instantly moves to your touch location. Just press any spot with 2 fingers for 3 seconds. The Whiteboard app provides an ultra-smooth 5 milliseconds low-latency writing experience, recognizing fingers, styluses, and palms. Activate handwriting recognition for automatic text conversion or shape recognition for perfect geometric forms. Erasing is easy. Just swipe with the eraser tool. Split screen writing supports up to 4 sections with 50-point multi-touch, making multi-user collaboration seamless. Insert images, mind maps, or tables, and even browse and annotate web pages in real time. When you're done, tap Share by QR to instantly share notes with a simple scan. The eShare feature enables wireless screen mirroring for up to 9 devices, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets, perfect for education, business, and home use.